Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and today we have another humble bundle of interest to game developers. Which game developers? Well, pretty much all of them. Unreal, Unity, and Godot, although Unreal is definitely the star of the show here. There's only a handful of Godot items, a little bit more Unity, but again, things can all be exported out. And I figured this would be a good one to start things off on because, well, it's Christmas. So here there is a soft Christmas environment here. These are all modular assets, by the way. So you're going to notice here, everything is in various different pieces, modular in nature. So if you want to put a flammable object on your Chesterfield, you can do so. Another key thing about this, though, is even though this here is an Unreal Engine asset, assets can be exported out to other game engine. Like you can see here, there are a variety of guides down below how you can get from Unreal to Unity, Unity to Unreal, Unreal to Godot, Unity to Godot, and so on. So if you want to bring particular assets out, it is very simple. And once again, they've been brought across. You're going to notice the lighting is way, way different here. But the assets themselves, modular, work just fine. So if you create your own setup with your own lighting and so on, it's going to look a lot more enticing in your individual environment. But the assets static meshes come across pretty much picture perfect 99% of the time. So check out the guides down below on how you can get those assets over. Also, some of these assets are, of course, native too. This one is Unity, Unreal, and Godot. Here you can see it running in Godot. It is a convenience store. Everything you see here, all the stock and products and security cameras and so on for running a convenience store are here, including a bathroom full of apple juice for some reason. So again, this is the kind of stuff that is in here. A number of different environments. We've also got a bunch of tools as well. Now, this was available, again, for all three major game engines. And then here is one running directly inside of Unity. This is a game and arcade type environment. So a number of different setups here. You got foosball, various different games and arcade games and so on, sit-down racing games, a lounge area, billiards, and so on. So this is, again, one of the Unity-specific assets. And now we're going to head back over to Unreal for the last demo. And here we are in an Unreal Engine asset. So this, my camera is super fast. This is like ground control for a launch station. So you see different setup over here. Let me just switch into game mode, get rid of all the environment probes. So if you've got like a NASA type environment from the 1970s or a retro theater environment or something, that is what you've got going on in this particular example. Just give you an idea of the kind of stuff that is included in here. And then we've got some things that are a little bit more blueprinty, such as this here golf cart. Now you may be wondering, okay, what is so blueprinty about said golf cart? Well, it is fully rigged or set up, I guess you could say. So let's go over here to the overview map and you'll see what I mean. So there is our golf cart ready to go, and let's run it. And you're gonna see full character controller setup, full animation setup. So these could literally be just dropped in your game. If you needed a programmed, ready-to-go golf cart, for example, this one has you covered. And there's a decent number of these kind of things as well. And then on top of that, we've got a number of tools. Let's just fall off the world. Yay! All right, so that's it for the hands-on portion. And onto the bundle itself. So this is the Mega GameDev Assets and Tools bundle. There are a total of 40 items in there for $30 US. There is the median tier, which very rarely makes sense. And then there is a $1 tier here. There you're getting some robots and then plug-in and some discounts on the Cosmos store. But what you'd probably be buying is this particular one. Now you're going to notice there's also a number of tools in here as well, such as a menu and gamepad control system, a landscape control system. We've got spline toolkit for procedural generation, and so on. So there are a number of tools in here as well. You're going to notice all of the tools are Unreal Engine specific. So how do you redeem these? Well, there's a couple of options. All the Unity stuff, anything that's marked directly as Unity right here, you'll get a redemption for the Unity Asset Store. On top of that, you will get these on the Cosmos via a single key. So this is the Cosmos Store here. There is a plugin to get things from here directly into Unreal Engine, by the way. That's what I think the rocket that you saw earlier on was all about. Here you can see all of the assets. They go on down to here. So everything here is included, like so. And then you're going to notice something, especially if it is for multiple game engines, this one, the pizza restaurant here, because it's available for all three. So you see, this is what the asset looks like here. And then you can come in here and you can pick which platform you want it to be. So I could go here, say I want it for Unreal Engine, or I want it for Unity, or I want it for Godot. So here I say I want it for Unity, then I can say, okay, I want it to be for 2023 and Universal Render Pipeline, built-in pipeline, or HDRP, and it will get the appropriate project. Same thing if I say Godot, I say, okay, which version of Godot, and then I say which renderer I want, and then same deal for Unreal Engine. And you're going to notice here, I pick the version of Unreal Engine I'm working with and download it. Now, another neat thing about this is you can actually get all of the Unreal Engine stuff. So let's say Unreal Engine only. Here we go. This one here, you'll also notice you can get a redeem code for any of them on Fab. So you can get these on the Unity asset stored up there for Unity. You can get them on Cosmos for any of the engines, or you can get them on Fab directly if you're using Unreal Engine. I imagine you can actually get any of them for Fab. I don't know if the Unity on Fab works or not, because Fab is a cross-game engine, but I think Fab is mostly for working with the Unreal Engine assets. Or, of course, you can just grab them directly from Cosmos right here, and you can download them. They come down as like a zipped project. For example, here, you can see that golf cart, for example, came down just as a zip file like this. You extract it out, and then inside you just load the project up. Super simple to work with. Same thing for the Godot stuff, for example. Godot was the modular convenience store, and just basically open it up, and it is a Godot project. You just go ahead and open it up as well. And once again, there are a number of guides down below for how you can get from one engine to the other using those guides. So if you're using Unity and you want something from Unreal, or Unreal and you want something from Unity, or if you're using Godot and you want something from either engine, I've got you covered with those guides down below as well. So yeah, that is it. That is the, what is this thing actually called? The Mega GameDev Assets and Tools. These names are getting more and more generic every single time. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, that is it. By the way, if you use my link, it does help support me, and thank you very much if you do. So if you're looking for a last-minute Christmas gift for yourself or someone else, maybe the Mega GameDev Assets and Tools bundle is ideal for you. Again, really heavy on the Unity side. A number of different creators, by the way. You can notice from the little name here, the little icon, who the actual creator is. So this one is Ursa, for example. This one here is Games by Hyper, and so on. Decent selection of stuff here. We got some animation packs, got a number of different tools there, a number of different environment packs there, and so on. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.